having the principles of unity and harmony, which are probably among the most important lessons that dads have learned in their journey.
You agree to be a good man and true strictly to obey the moral law. Second, you agree to be a peaceable citizen and cheerfully conform to the laws of the country in which you reside. Third, you promise not to be concerned in plots and conspiracies against government, but patiently to submit to the decision of the Supreme Legislature.
I have learned that Masonic unity does not compel or coerce. It speaks of diversity but oneness in mind and in spirit. Dad Masons do not have to think the same way, hold the same political persuasion, or espouse the same religious creeds. Yet, you are called upon to think freely while respecting each other's convictions and principles within and without the lodge.
As I solemnly and humbly receive the charge you have entrusted upon me this coming Masonic year 2024, I am truly humbled that you have chosen to do so. This momentous installation and investiture of the new sets of officers of our Honorable Chocolate Hills Masonic Lodge number 477.
Laws and regulations
laws and regulations
of the most worshipful
of the most worshipful
Grand Lodge
Grand Lodge
of Free and Accepted Masons
of free and accepted nations
of the Philippines
of the Philippines,
and the bylaws of my lodge,
and the bylaws of my life,
and will faithfully
and will faithfully
perform
perform
to the best of my ability
to the best of my ability
all the duties
all the duties
of my office
of my office
and that
and that
of the worshipful Master
of the worshipful Master
in his absence.
in his
So help me God.
so help me.
Your requirement therefore will be as such as will ensure proper instruction to the craft from the Spirit which you had hitherto evinced. I entertain no doubt that your future conduct will be as such as will to the testimony of the good counsel. happiness of its members will be generally promoted in proportion to the watchful care with which you cherish the genuine principles of our institution.
Isabuhay natin ang mga aral ng pagkakaisa, pakikipagkapwa, pagmamahal, at pagpapakumbaba. Mabuhay ang Masoneria, mabuhay ang Chocolate Hills Masonic Lodge number 477. Thank you, everyone.